Y'all, it's launch day for the Self-Publishing Mastery course. Y'all, I've been working on this course for a while now. I've got it. It's launching today. I've got a good amount of people already in it. They've already signed up before it was even finished. And to them, I want to say thank you so much for putting your trust into me. I will be sending this course out to them people today. If you want in the course, it's a short course. It would take probably a week, maybe 2 weeks at the longest to finish it. And you work at your own pace. It's a website based, it's text and video. And at the end of it, you should have your own ebook ready to publish. And I will put it on my website. That will generate a lot of eyes seeing your book, potentially making you sales. I will be sending it out today to everyone that's already joined. And if you want to join, the link is in the bottom. Also, I'm going to ask you to do me a big favor. There was a lady that commented on one of my videos the other day, and just out of the blue, something told me to go to her YouTube channel and check her out. Well, I did. I really like her channel. And the name of it is the Mom Channel. She does all these, she's got a lot of different stuff on her video, but it's all very good content. Y'all should check her out. The name of the channel is the Mom Channel. I'm going to put the link in the comments below. You will see it down there. Check her out and subscribe to her channel. She would love to see you there, and let her know that I sent you. Y'all, the course is coming out today, and I'm sorry about my video this morning about our screwed up government. They really getting on my nerves, but I have composed myself from there, and I've changed my shirt. Y'all, I do love you all. We will get out of this whole stimulus thing with the grace of God. And please check out that course if you hadn't already signed up for it. And I will be sending it out to the people that already signed up for it today. And you work at your own pace. If you run into a stumbling block, you can contact me. I can't give you one-on-one lengthy coaching, but I can answer a question or two. It's very simple stuff. If you do need coaching, I also have that on my website. And if you do get the coaching, I'm all yours until you're done with me. I love you all. Ciao.